Okay. The guy that has the Rebuild Rescue channel, I think his name is Jason, but anyway, he did just a very, very brief tribute to his friend Sam, but he should have really expanded on that. He just seems a jokester, a real fun guy to be around, but he should have, really delved into the guy's life, see, what else he did besides flying, I think in one of the other videos I saw the guy was was a principal of school or something. Expand on it. Explain to your viewers exactly who this guy was, what type of life he led, and do a decent tribute to your friend, man. Okay, bye bye.